What if I told you the reason your vegetables rot so quickly isn't because they're bad quality, but because of how you're cleaning your fridge? What if one simple change in your cleaning method could triple the shelf life of your food and save you hundreds of dollars in wasted groceries? I discovered this completely by accident, and the difference was so dramatic that I had to share this with you immediately. Stay with me, because this will change how you think about your refrigerator forever. The expensive problem we ignore. Let me ask you something. How often do you open your fridge and find vegetables that have turned slimy? Fruits that have molded? Leftovers that smell off even though you just cooked them 3 days ago? You throw them away, feeling guilty about the waste, frustrated about the money lost. You think maybe you're buying bad produce. Maybe your fridge isn't cold enough. Maybe you're just unlucky. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. Your food is spoiling fast because your fridge is contaminated with bacteria and ethylene gas, and your cleaning method is making it worse, not better. I used to clean my fridge the way everyone does. Once a month, I'd take everything out, wipe the shelves with regular cleaning spray, and put everything back. But my vegetables would still wilt within days. My fruits would still mold quickly. I was spending lots of money weekly replacing spoiled food. The method that changes everything. Here's what I learned. Regular cleaning sprays don't kill the bacteria that cause food to spoil. They just spread them around. The correct method uses white vinegar, which is a natural antibacterial agent. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Remove everything from your fridge. Spray every surface generously. Let it sit for 5 minutes. This is crucial. Those 5 minutes allow the vinegar to kill bacteria. Then, wipe with a clean cloth. The difference this makes is extraordinary. But here's where it gets really interesting. After cleaning, place an open box of baking soda on each shelf. Baking soda absorbs ethylene gas, which is what fruits and vegetables release as they ripen. This gas accelerates spoiling. When you absorb it, you dramatically slow down the decay process. I tested this by placing tomatoes in 2 containers, one in a fridge with baking soda, one without. After 2 weeks, the tomatoes with baking soda were still firm and fresh. The others had started rotting. The results that shocked me. When I implemented all these changes, the transformation was unbelievable. Vegetables that used to wilt in days now last weeks. My strawberries, which would mold within 2 days, stayed perfect for over a week. Leftovers that used to smell off after 3 days remained fresh for 5 or 6 days. I was suddenly throwing away almost nothing. My weekly grocery bill dropped by 30% because I wasn't constantly replacing spoiled food. But the real shock came when I calculated my annual savings. I was wasting approximately $50 monthly on spoiled food. That's $600 yearly. Just gone. Thrown in the trash. By changing how I clean my fridge and implementing these simple preservation tricks, I'm now saving almost all of that. $600 that stays in my bank account instead of going into the garbage bin. Why this matters beyond money. This isn't just about saving money, though that's certainly important. It's about reducing food waste, which is one of the biggest environmental problems we face. It's about respecting the resources and labor that went into producing that food. And it's about taking control instead of accepting that food spoilage is just inevitable. It's not inevitable, it's preventable with the right knowledge. There you have it. The fridge cleaning hacks that actually keep food fresh longer. Vinegar cleaning, baking soda for ethylene absorption, paper towels for moisture control. Simple changes, dramatic results. If this video just showed you how to save thousands of rupees yearly, hit that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more money-saving food storage tips. Share this with anyone tired of throwing away spoiled groceries. Comment how much money you think you waste on spoiled food monthly. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay smart, waste less, and keep your food fresh.